Hello viewers! Today, we are going to cover the 5 best ovens for baking cakes in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started! Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Cuisinart TOA 60 AirFryer Toaster Oven. A convection toaster oven combined with an air fryer on top of it. Here we are presenting our next listed model, Cuisinart TOA 60. The oven is versatile and durable, including awesome features needed in everyday life to make delicious food. To select one perfect convection toaster is quite confusing and a real hard job when there are lots of brands out there. I think Cuisinart made this task easier for you by launching different modes with unique features, like this model included one top air fryer for convenient fryers. The whole structure is made of stainless steel and the inner part designed of non-stick coating. It needs 1800 watts and a lightweight countertop model, thus you can move it easily. And the capacity of the oven is 1-2 pizza, can bake a 4 pounds chicken, anything to toast, reheat, broil or bake. And in the air fryer box you can fry fish, chips, wings to crisp and crunchy as golden brown with little oil or no oil. No deep fry required on this toaster oven. The model may be a favorite one for diet lovers. Number 2. Our second best pick is Oster Large Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. Oster is a complete digital convection countertop toaster oven offering you different shades of toasting desired. This 6-slice convection toaster oven is very fast at toasting, even cooking. It has a wide range of temperatures of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The large interior has enough space to keep your meal accurately in place. To check the meal condition, don't worry, there is clear visible interior light. The 2 rack positions of the oven are the perfect place for toast or roasting. It includes a durable baking pan and removable crumb tray, easy for maintenance. There are several auto preset functions by which you can cook easily by pressing the button given program on the oven. The digital control panel is helpful to watch the condition of the meal. You will get various options: toast, bake, convection bake, broil, warm, defrost, pizza, time plus / light, stop, start. The convection baking of this oven is more than any of the other regular ovens in the market. First, select the open type you want to run. For toasting, select to toast bread or bagel or other bread. Number 3. Our third best pick is BLACK+DECKER Countertop Convection Toaster Oven. At a very budget-friendly point, you can choose BLACK+DECKER CTO 6335S is a wonderful choice for any kitchen corner. With a digital one-touch easy control system, it's one of the popular choices of food enthusiasts. The capacity is fine as regular-sized pizza 1-2 and sliced toast easily can be made. If you are thinking of having a medium-sized oven including all the features generally one chef's oven has, then BLACK+DECKER offers every essential thing you need. The 9 large options: pizza, frozen snacks, bake, toast, bagel, broil, potatoes, and cookies. Besides, the model comes with one broiler pan you won't have to buy from outside. The whole interior is non-stick construction and you can see dishes through the glass door. Besides, the unit comes with a broiler pan, removable crumb tray for easy cleaning. Whenever I feel hungry, BLACK+DECKER Digital One-Touch Toaster Oven to make delicious foods, it means the restaurant came into home. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Breville BOV 845 BSS Smart Oven Pro 1800W Convection Toaster Oven. Breville is one of the best oven manufacturers in the world. They are very known for kitchen products for their high-quality appliances. When any oven buying idea comes, American people think about Breville as the top-level choice. Why is Breville the first-level choice product? Breville is a full package compacted all in one pack. You will get all the basic and amp, pro functions at a time at the same place, so why not Breville? This model of Breville BOV 845 BSS convection oven comes with 10 pro functions that will fully fill all your basic needs in your home. The 10 functions are 6 slice toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm, slow cook. These functions are the complete need of the family. You can start the day with toasting by this toaster oven. We choose this oven for the best convection toaster, although it has multiple functions for only one reason. That is, if you buy an oven for toasting and separate oven for roasting or cooking or work as a pizza oven, then it will cost you more having more than one oven at a time. Some people have no space in their kitchen. You have a high-quality multifunction oven that will serve your all needs, then why not? The choice is yours, although a single function or multi are recommendation for this multifunction to save your money. The dimension of this is 15.75 by 18.50 by 11 inches and weighs only 22.8 pounds. Lighter than a regular oven. This is a high-power 2,400 watts oven, but with 1,800 watts fast preheat function, which makes your meal quickly on the table. There is an inbuilt convection fan that circulates the equal heat distribution. If your oven has no convection fan, then it is not a pro oven. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Breville BOV 450 XL Mini Smart Oven. Breville is one of the high-quality convection toaster oven manufacturers in the world and also known as a popular brand in kitchen appliances. They have a wide range of convection toaster ovens with enormous facilities when it's a matter of quick and tasty meal. At the first in our top list, we have suggested Breville Smart Pro, and our next model is also from Breville BOV 800 XL that is a similar addition but the capacity larger than Smart Pro. It's quite obvious a big family gathering needs more baking, toasting, or roasting. Helping this kind of grouping, the unit comes with an Advanced Elements IQ technology. When you think of selecting one oven that serves both toasting and baking, even roasting, then Breville is definitely your first choice for its modern features. The oven is made of durable brushed stainless steel with a backlit LCD screen that adjusts accurately what you need to set. The full set is designed with a non-stick 3-rack design, tempered glass door, and one removable crumb tray. A nice and simple look attracts any eye within a minute, just the way it should be in a chef's kitchen. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.